But she's just weeding around here a little bit. And we're going to try to get these posts and rails tied into this fence here and just kind of make that safer. That's the side of the bank barn. It drops off there probably a good 8-10 feet. So we're going to do a 2-rail system here. Just use what we have. Dig some holes, put the posts in there, and let's put the rails up. So that's what we're going to work on now. Alright, we got a piece of concrete that's right here, basically in the middle of run. That it's like the other concrete that I've taken out of here. It's probably about that wide. So I'm going to start with this hole here. See how far in I go. That'll tell me how far in we need to go with it. Hopefully there's not too much rock up here. Let's see. Not a bad feeling though. Dude, that concrete right there, I got a feeling it's going to be 2 feet wide. Let's just kind of see here. I'm going to have to get the excavator up here and drag this out of here. Which might be a good idea anyway. Yep, that's right here. Alright, well, let me go get the excavator. So I really don't want to come over much further. And that's his anyway, and the excavator kind of help us get this rolled back. So, in a minute, let me go get the excavator and move back. get this first one in. Hole dug over here.
I know, but I can't. What? It's at 45%.
Battery?
Yep.
We're just going to continue on getting the rest of these posts set, and we'll follow up as we're on the other end here. Okay, we're back on the other end of this, and we're going to shorten this last set of rails to fit.
There's quite a bit on the end if you need it. There. Enough?
Alright, this is what it looks like. Now we gotta backfill the dirt. We're gonna see if we have a couple older bags of concrete we can pour in the holes, but doesn't really need it because there's no weight on there, but that will help lock it in. Alright, we had a couple of bags of used bags of concrete. Well, not used concrete, but bags we're trying to get rid of. So, that's one. Is that level? Yeah, we'll fill it back.
Still got some in there.
I know, over here.
So I can throw these bigger rocks in here?
Yeah.
At least the flat ones?
Yep. Well, before you put dirt on, you might want to take the water hose and wet it down though. That'll help the concrete.
Yep. He's right on.
Okay, everything is in. We're just gonna wet concrete we put in there, but it's all in. Then we'll backfill it. We just wash off this tote. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going through just leveling these, secure them before we backfill them. Turned out good. A little nice accent fence. You know, just let people know that, oh, you know, there's a cliff right there on the other side. I'm kind of thinking about doing 2 feet of wood chips to keep us from having to weed eat. Oh, that'll look good. It's somewhat straight. Good enough for what we're doing. Alright, I am going to wrap this video up when we finish this little project. It turned out really good. Should have done it a long time ago. Just used rails and used posts that were rotten at the end, and we just made use of them. So I want to thank you for watching Rolling Country Outdoors, and please hit to subscribe if you're not, and hit the like button. That really helps. I really like to grow this channel and continue to grow and continue to bring content that you like and relevant. And again, create this channel to give homeowners confidence in doing projects around the house and not have to hire people to do it, do everything. Some things it probably makes sense, but you know, I don't know what a contractor would charge to do this. You know, ended up taking quite a bit of the day. you know, probably maybe 4 hours, I don't know. Time you laid everything out, dug it, sized it, you know, probably 4 hours. So somebody charges $75-100 an hour and get expensive really quick. I'm not so sure you can get somebody out here to do this for $300. I don't know. It depends if somebody's honest and they're charging by the hour, maybe they will. Anyway, I think that's where we're going to end this video. Thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors, and we'll catch you on the next video. Have a good evening.